Welcome to the October 2025 Hero Studio die set of the month called Twinkle Lights. Let's take a closer look at this month's die set. This festive set includes 9 cutting dies that create beautifully curved light strands with coordinating bulbs. The string pieces all have a soft wave that looks great on cards, gift tags, scrapbook pages, or holiday decor. There are 5 different unique strands, and there are plenty of dies to help with cutting out all of the bulbs you'll need, making it super simple to cut in multiple colors or in one color all at once. The widest of the strands measures approximately 5 3/4 inches from point to point, making it ideal for either a horizontal or a portrait style card. Let's make a card using this month's die set. Start by cutting all of your strands from a piece of gold matte metallic cardstock. This is going to give you beautiful, shiny gold strands. Next, choose several colors to cut your lights from. I'm using Dahlia, Carrot, Beeswax, Fern, and Waterfall. Here I'm cutting all of my dies at once. Next, arrange your strands how you would like them to be on your A2 sized card, and then carefully add glue to the back of each strand and adhere the strand in place on the front of your card. Adhering your strands first helps keep down on any bending or warping of the strands. So I've added my second strand, now I'm adding the third, fourth, and fifth strand to my card. Once they're all added, simply flip your piece over and trim off any excess strand that is hanging over the side. Next, add your colored bulbs by using a dot of glue on each bulb of the strand. Use a wax pickup tool to help place your bulbs on the strand. I'm placing my bulbs in rainbow order, so pink, then orange, then yellow, then green, then aqua. Die cut a large sentiment die from black cardstock. I'm using the October 2025 Whole Studio bonus die, Merry Everything. Then cut the shadow layer from vellum. Using glue, adhere your sentiment to the vellum shadow layer. To increase the opacity of the shadow layer, you can always add a second layer of vellum. Here you can see that definitely increased the opacity. Then add glue to the back of the vellum and adhere it directly to the center of your card at an angle. Now place an acrylic block on top to help everything stay in place while it dries. To add a colored border, trim some of the edge off around your panel. Add glue to the back of your completed panel and adhere it to the center of an A2 sized piece of 2x2 cardstock. Next, add glue to the back of your completed piece and adhere it to an A2 sized card base. And you're done! The October 2025 Hero Studio die set of the month makes it super easy to create a customized card. You can change up your lights for Christmas, Hanukkah, Halloween, or even use a rainbow for someone's birthday. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.